What's up guys, कैसे हो? Hope everyone is doing great and negative. People are taking that for fun. Actually, Naisha is here. Actually, that is correct, right? You cannot be positive now. I mean, COVID positive. Mindset should be positive, but time is around 9 o'clock in the morning. This potty is here once again and she's addicted to this game now.
Yeah.
Wrong. So you guys have seen my previous vlog in 4K, right? I personally liked it, no problem with that. But the problem was editing. The problem was transferring all this data. Transferring was also fine, but editing the vlog and the timeline took a lot of time. I was directly editing it. I shouldn't be doing that because these processors cannot take it. I need to take a proxy first and then start editing so that it doesn't take too much load on the processor. Because right now, if I'm editing it in 4K, it just feels like I went back in time with my laptop. I mean, today's vlog is going to be in 1080p. I need to do some tweaking and then we can start editing in 4K as well. I mean, these normal vlogs are still fine, but if you watch travel videos in 4K, that's got, oh my god, next thing I have to worry about is GoPro. GoPro also I should put it in 4K 60 FPS. I don't know how crazy all this is gonna get here. Thing is, everyone is slowly shifting towards 4K displays and 4K displays, and that is the reason I'm also planning to start recording in 4K because we have a wonderful camera. 4K ke liye you don't stamp it. No. Nice, no, wrong. Shouldn't stamp it like that. Use your hands. Use your hands. I really like it now. She started playing with that from morning.
Wow.
You know what is she saying? Wow. Wow. You didn't wear it yet. Wait, I'll put.
Wow.
Let me vlog. And right now the plan is to leave it. Oh, by the way, today say we have no curfew. First it started with 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then it went to 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. service center. Yes, very wow. Okay, let me vlog now, please. And from today onwards, that has been extended to 5 p.m. Yes, by 6 o'clock we should be home. And in fact, it is good so that I can come home jaldi and spend time with this iPad player. You'll not play with me. Why should I come first? Huh? Come here. Now, where am I going and all? I'll tell you on the bike or in the car. I don't know what I'm gonna take. Depends on the weather. Right now, weather forecast. Weather seems to be fine, nice and pleasant. Perfect to ride, but let's see. If it rains in the city, I'll get irritated. So maybe I'll take the car. Naisha, say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sir, say it. Why are you feeling shy? No feeling shy. She properly says 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Correct. नानी कैसा गुस्सा करती है? So, how does Nani gussa? First important thing of the day, I take my supplements. Immediately after my breakfast, I have to have my supplements, especially omega-3s. One of the most important supplements I consider is definitely multivitamins and omega-3s. They work like wonderfully on your joint pains. It's not like a magic that happens overnight, but when you continue taking this for a couple of months, you'll definitely feel the differences. Not only it helps with anti-inflammatory diseases, it also helps with autoimmune diseases. And a next level important thing is it is very good for your immune system. It helps develop your immune system. But one thing, I remember that no supplement can beat a good diet. You have to have a great diet, have very nutritious food and all that, and then these supplements also help. Enveda's omega-3 fish oil, you get around 180 mg of EPA and up to 120 mg of DHA. These are the essential fatty acids that your body needs. You can start with 1 per day and slowly increase it to 2, and then I take 3, but still one thing, whenever you're trying to take anything into your body, it is always better to consult your family doctor or a proper health practitioner. You look who's here, my friends are here. I told you I'll take the bike and go, but I called my friends, asked them to pick me up because they are going in the car, and also it's been long since we've all gone out together. So yeah, they're checking out my bike, bro. Actually, I thought I'll take the bike and go today, but look who is here. The 20 and the 6:30 p.m. ఏంటో కష్టపడుతున్నావు తీయడానికి రావట్లేదా? పెద్ద బండి ఉంది.
5 years. హలో ఆంటీ. బాగున్నారా? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆంటీ.
ఏ కంగ్రాట్స్
ఫస్ట్ టైం ట్రై చేస్తా.
అరే పొట్టోడా
అందుతుందా?
ఏడి సుజు వేరే సుజు దాక్కుండే కూడా కాలంతలే పొట్టోడా
నీకంతా ఎరా
మంచిగా
నీకంతా ఎరా
వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్.
అరే నువ్వు నాకన్నా పొట్టోడు వీళ్ళు లైట్ తీసుకో. ఉంటుందేంద్రా? ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ రైడింగ్ ద జిఎస్, నాట్ ద జిఎస్ఏ.
ఫీల్ ఐ థింక్ టాల్ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నట్టుంది అది. సస్పెన్షన్
తగ్గించు కదరా.
తగ్గియాలి. ఏ ఫూలిష్ ఫెలో, యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ ద కీ. దగ్గర ఉంటే చాలు. స్టార్ట్
కీ లోపల పెడతా, కీ లోపల పెడతా,
యాక్టింగ్ చేయకు.
కీ లోపల పెడతా.
ఆన్ చేయి అవుతుంది. వచ్చా ఇట్లా మోడర్న్ టెక్నాలజీ యూజ్ చేయడం?
తిప్పిలానా ఇట్లా కిక్ కొట్టాలి అంతే.
కవర్ తీయడం వచ్చు, అందం వేయడం రాట్లేదు. Sujju, Adi, because you people are not coming the vlogs much, because you people became busy. Our subscribers are thinking we are not talking to each other. Your comments.
కట్టివ్వరా నీతో. నేను బ్లాగ్ లో ఉండకపోవడమే ప్రాబ్లం అయితే నేను ఉందండి రా.
కొత్తగా పెళ్ళైన వాళ్ళతో కూర్చోడం ఎంత టార్చర్ అర్థమవుతుంది నాకు. ఓ గాడ్, వాట్ ఆర్ దిస్ టాపిక్స్? ఏంట్రా బాగుండదు? ఇట్స్ ఆల్ న్యాచురల్. అరే అడ్డు ఏమైందిరా వీడికి? వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ టు యు సుజ్జు?
ఉడుకు రక్తం
ఇంత ఉడకరా రే, పొంగి బయటకు వస్తున్నా. స్మాల్ ఖర్చు I think is gonna happen. I am not gonna buy now. From yesterday I'm planning. It's going on. The problem is with what is that event? WWDC. The moment they did not announce the MacBook, I was like, let's put this money into something else. Let's buy the 65 inch. Because we are also planning for future proof videos, you know, 4K.
ఈ టీవీ 8K సపోర్ట్ ఉందిరా.
Oh yeah?
Yes,
Oh,
8K
good.
60 Hz.
So Srijan has a TV, LG CX55. That is what Srijan is suggesting. But that's a 55 inch. I want to go for 65 inch. Isn't it better 65 than 55?
పెద్దగుంటే పెద్దదే బెటర్ కదరా.
ఏం చెప్పేవరా ఈ మధ్య ఇట్లాంటివి చెప్తున్నారు అన్ని.
You told GS is better, but you opted for GS. Why? Because bigger the better.
Bigger tank the better. Correct, same actually. అరే ఆది గారికి జల్దీ పెళ్లి చేయాలి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హి సేయింగ్ దట్స్ వాట్ షీ సెడ్.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అక్కడ కర్ర బాగుందంటే దట్స్ వాట్ షీ సెడ్.
ఊపిరేంటి ఎక్కువ పిలుస్తున్నావు? అది దట్స్ వాట్ షీ సెడ్. Plan is to first go to Reliance Digital because we are planning to go there and check the 65 inch LG TV. If pricing and everything is fine, then maybe I'll take it. After that, go to Dynamic Riders. I forgot my Clearwater lights. అవి ఎట్లా మర్చిపోతావు అసలు? ₹1,00,000 లైట్లు. It's worth 1 lakh. అందుకే నీకు చెప్పలేదు. వీడికి చెప్తే ఇటు పోయి ఎత్తేసుకుంటాడని డౌట్ వచ్చింది. ఏంట్రా నేను తీసుకుని గోల్డ్ రన్వే. So first we'll have to pick up the Clearwater lights at Dynamic Riders. उसके बाद we'll go to BMW showroom again. Showroom hopping has started. After that we'll plan after that.
Let's go to Chaitanya's house because నేను ఒక్కసారి సైట్ కూడా వెళ్ళేసి
స్టార్ట్ చేసిన రైడ్ సైట్. ఆదిత్యకు ముందే పార్కింగ్ చేయడం రాదు, రివర్స్ చేయడం రాదంట. Srijan, you told me wrong information. He said 1.8 May will get 65 inch. Price has been increased to 2.25 lakhs for a TV. No, उतना budget नहीं है. MacBook के लिए तो I have that much budget, but not for this. Just for a TV, I don't think I'll put that much. 55 inch, we're getting it for less. We didn't ask, right? 55 inch ఎంత? No రే, I don't want to spend 2.25 lakhs bro. అతి మరి అది. ఇప్పుడు 1.5 lakh మన Clearwater లైట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అక్కడ పోయి తెచ్చుకుందాం ఫస్ట్. చంపేస్తా.
ఇది ఆడేసిందే కదా విక్కీ గాడు.
You know what is this masala dosa once again? And this is the Clearwater lights. Thank you Dynamic Riders packing it so nicely.
మసాలా దోస చట్నీలో ముంచుకొని
1 lakh rupees masala dosa. Chala now let's go to BMW store. Hopefully I'll not buy anything there. Please. बहुत हो गया अभी. We'll just go pick up Chaitanya's bike and after that maybe lunch. Srijan wants to eat Thai curry, green curry, Thai red curry with Japanese rice. Sorry, jasmine rice. Are jasmine rice and Japanese rice are same, you know that? What's up Chaitanya?
What's up buddy?
So 980 kilometers done. నాకు అదే గుర్తుకొస్తుంది. రాత్రి అంతా కళ్ళు కూడా వస్తుంది. నాది ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అండి.
నేర్చుకుంటా.
ఫస్ట్ ఏసీ ఏరాను.
గెట్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ రా.
I am definitely inspired by your ride. క్లాసిక్ పెట్టుకొని 980 కిలోమీటర్స్ మజాక్
ఈ స్ట్రీట్ విన్ అయిపోయిందా?
yes 1000 కిలోమీటర్స్ అయింది.
అసలు ఎక్కడ ఉందో తెలుసా?
ఉంది రైట్
అక్కడ చెట్ల లోపల పడేసింది. దానికి ఒక ఏ ట్యాగ్ పెట్టి ఎక్కడ పడేసింది.
టుడే ఐ వుడ్ గెట్ ఇట్ బట్ వి హ్యాడ్ దీస్ ప్లాన్స్.
రెస్టారెంట్ ప్యాంట్ బాగుందిరా నీది. అందుకే చినుగులు
ఏమని ఇక్కడ
అంటే ఒకప్పుడు చినుగులు ఉండే కానీ మొత్తం
కొట్టాడా?
కాదు, 4 చినిపోయిన ప్యాంట్లని టైలర్ దగ్గర తీసుకెళ్ళి
అన్ని కలిపి కుట్టానన్నా.
ఇందులో కూడా బాగుంటుంది రా.
Okay, we are back to this place where the names are very fancy. Uramaki. That time we were like 95 kilos. This fellow is same.
ఆల్వేస్ సేమ్.
You're always same. Huh?
అంటే మధ్యలో తగ్గినా మళ్ళీ రీగైన్.
Okay, Adi repeat the names.
Anything
Anything
have
new?
Maki,
We
California
have-
Maki,
We have Maki and Ura Maki.
Photo Maki,
Photo Maki. I'm not kidding. Actually, these are the names.
Philadelphia Maki.
Now is the main thing. Now is the main event. The bill is just... Arey, takku indra. This is
అదే.
not the bill. We'll share this. Come.
చాలా తక్కువైందిరా.
ఇది డబుల్ చేసి 2 చేసుకుందాం.
లాస్ట్ టైం మేము వచ్చినప్పుడు
Yeah, it was
like
much more.
9,000 aయింది.
We ordered like a ton of food. And that too, Chaitanya is here. He'll order like next level food. All healthy. Yeah, very healthy. Zishan, very healthy.
కోసం వాడు నిజంగా కడుతుండ్రా. ఇంకా మనకి ఆర్డర్ చేద్దాం.
అవునా ఒక్క నిమిషం రా వీళ్ళు ఆర్డర్ ఈస్ పేయింగ్ మ్యారేజ్ పార్టీ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ మ్యారేజ్ పార్టీ ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ మ్యారేజ్ పార్టీ వి ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ దట్ బ్యాచిలర్ పార్టీ
కాదు ఒకటి కానీ $1,000 ఉన్నాయా?
పార్టీ అన్నో by the way special announcement you know it seems Srujan is taking us to Portugal for bachelor's party కార్లో
I'm sorry, my friend is not educated.
ఆన్ యువర్ డోర్ అవుట్ సైడ్.
you know what this guy did he came to Magura this restaurant he was knocking on the door
మేనర్స్ రా.
you just need to open it bro etiquette కాదురా పిచ్ అంటారు బాగా ఎక్కెడుతున్నావు కొట్టుకోకండి వీఆర్ హియర్ అట్ ది ట్రామ్ షోరూమ్ వన్ సెకండ్ రే నీళ్ళు పడుతున్నాయి రే అరే నీళ్ళు పడుతున్నాయి seems there is the speed triple inside just caught our attention while going from here so we just stopped here oh yes I think oh ma hey undira that is a speed triple nice actually I think we got used to staying at home all this lockdown we got used to staying at home I mean doesn't matter how urgent of a work you have to be home by 2 o'clock so today when we were out like almost till 3:34 it felt really different it felt just like school time was around 3 o'clock and we were like chalo jaldi jana hai ghar ko otherwise things are gonna shut so strictly we had to come back anyways I'm hoping every one of us get vaccinated soon most of our friends got vaccinated I cannot get vaccinated now because I was infected right so I have to wait for it seems 90 days and once everything opens we can start our travel so let's see very big plans are going on but like I told you we don't want to disappoint our families and go if they're all like okay go situation is fine we are confident you people will take care you people are vaccinated when they get that confidence then we'll go otherwise it's okay we'll postpone the plans for now this expensive masala dosa I'll have to fix this on the BMW so most probably in the next week we'll do that so then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog in case you did you guys know what to do hit the like button do share do comment do subscribe as well in case you're still not Abhitu you have to definitely subscribe it's been really long since you people have been watching my vlogs without subscribing not happening see you guys in the next vlog take care